Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to match colors in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, create a new layer and use the color picker to sample the color you would like to replace. Make sure the sample size is set to 5x5 average. Now use the brush tool from the left menu and change the hardness to 100%. Dab once on the new layer and change the layer name to old color. Now let's create another layer and rename it to new color. Use the color picker to sample the new color that you would like to replace the old color with. Click on Edit in the top menu and choose Fill. Select foreground color from the drop-down and click OK. Now change the blend mode of this layer to color. This will result in changing the hue and saturation values of all the underlying layers. So we changed the hue and saturation values, and the only thing left to change is the brightness value. To do that, we'll use levels. With the old color layer selected, click on the Adjustments tab and then click on Levels. Now adjust the black and white sliders until the old color merges in with the background color. At this point, we have successfully matched all three components of color: hue, saturation, and brightness. Select both the new color and levels layer and drag it to a new group. I'm also going to get rid of the old color layer because we don't need it anymore. With the background copy layer selected, click on the Quick Selection tool from the left menu. Use the plus-minus brushes to create a selection around the model's jacket. Next, select the Replace Color Group layer and click on the Layer Mask button. Turn on the visibility of the group to see the color changes. How cool is that? If you would like to clean up further, select the Layer Mask and use the Brush tool to paint over the areas that were missed. Make sure to use a soft round brush with a very low hardness value when painting near edges. Feel free to flip between the black and white foreground colors depending on whether you want to show or hide. You can also play around with the opacity slider of the group if you would like to tweak the intensity of the color. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.